Generally speaking, most eaves are under the roof. And these can be removed. There's some difficulty, but these can be removed by cutting at an angle, removing the damaged eaves, and replacing it with wood of the same dimension cut to fit the area that you just removed. Since they're under the eaves, you don't usually have to replace those, but what you frequently have to replace are the ends of barge rafters. And barge rafters are the heavy rafters at the edge of the roof that frequently stick out past the end of the roof so that they are exposed to the weather. These frequently do rot. These are fairly easily replaced by, again, cutting them at an angle, installing a new piece of the same dimensions with either screws or nails. I use screws. Then caulking the joint, and then painting. You'll need an exterior, probably semi-gloss paint, and it doesn't hurt to prime first.